Welcome back to the Blackbird Shed. Just going to give you a quick update on what's going on today and where we are. So here is the first round young. Only got 24 now. We did lose an Irish fancy. Went light the other day, and the day after it was dead. It was very quick. They're molting well. There's loads of feathers on the floors. I have actually swept them up this morning already, but there's more on there again. Round 2, 16 birds in here. They all are doing quite well. Mixture of Irish fancies and variegated birds. Here's my favourite one, the cinnamon one. And we've got round 3 set up. So we'll go through the 3 cages. We have the Irish fancies, which are where they have been all the time. Down in here we have 3 babies in here. These were these hatched on the 4th of the 7th, and today is the 15th. So these are 11 days old. Get that focused. A dark one and 2 yellows. They're doing well. At the same day, these hatched. These are from the red frosted gate, whatever that is, and the variegated bird. We've got looks like two dark, sort of heavily variegated one, and one with perhaps just a cap, a yellow one with a cap. Nice birds. They're doing really well as well. Underneath that we have the sort of cinnamon grey bird, a hen, who is there. And they've got 2. They only hatched the other day. There was 3 eggs, only one was fertile. They hatched on the 12th, so they're 3 days old. The Parrotlets, the 4 younger in there. One of them must be a hen for sure, because there's a little egg down there, a tiny egg, half the size of what it would normally be. So I'm just assuming that one of the youngers now old enough to pop an egg out. So I need to get rid of those. No more work being done to the cage conversion. That's basically still the same. 4th one of a pair I've got going for round 3. And this is the only ones. This is the last round for these. 2 pot eggs in here. One yesterday, one today. That'll be their last round. And those 3 cages, these 3 cages, 1, 2, 3, and the Irish fancy down there, will be the last pairings of the year. So whatever I get from it, fine. But I'm not. I just want some quality birds, ones I'm happy with. The gouldian finches. There's 2 of the young there with the mother. They're doing well. There's 4 of those in total young, so that's 12 altogether. And yes, they're on more eggs, but I have been removing the eggs like I said I would, because I'm not letting them have any more now. So in here they've nested in a different nest box. The cock's just got off the nest there. They've laid 7 eggs. I've replaced them with pot eggs. There's another one ready just in case they are and there you go, they're feeding now. They'll let me film them. So until they are weaned off, I won't be removing him from this flight. But at the moment, he's still feeding them, so I'll leave it be at the moment. thanks very much for watching. Sorry this week's video is a really short one. I will be putting out a longer one when we've got a few more things going on really, but the season's starting to wind down. Thanks very much for subscribing, and please punch that like button. Any comments? I've had some great comments recently. Questions, I'm happy to answer any questions if you do need any help, if you're a beginner. As I said in one of my videos, I'm sort of a beginner myself, revisiting the hobby after 30 odd years not doing it. So again, any advice would be great as well. So thanks very much for watching again. Please subscribe, share, like and comment, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks very much. Take care.